All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. This video is the highly requested update to the Sri Yantra, right? Last time I made a video about the Sri Yantra was 4 years ago. And I keep getting comments like, Yon, do you still use the Sri Yantra? And the answer is yes. The answer is yes, man. It completely changed my life. It unlocked shit spiritually. It bring me material wealth. And we about to go over everything, right, on this video. So, if y'all watch my last video, I talked about the Sri Yantra. It was 4 years ago. I'm gonna have it linked up here. This symbol, right, is really an instrument. It's really a machine. It's a tool that can help you manifest money in your life, that can accelerate the money coming into your life, right? It'll inspire you to seek out new ways to discover money and financial wealth, because it will enrich you spiritually first, right? Before you ever get any type of physical anything, it has to happen spiritually first. And whether that's through your prayer, right? Proper prayer. You have to know how to talk to your subconscious mind. That is proper prayer. Or you could use tools to help you if you feel stagnant or stuck. And I feel like the Sri Yantra is a tool that can break you out of a rut. You know, you don't have to know nothing about this symbol. I didn't know nothing about this symbol. Nobody physically, sat me down and taught me about this. This came to me through a dream. And I'm from Detroit, Michigan, man. I come from a Christian background. This is a Hindu symbol. But what I've learned is that this symbol has been found in every religion, right? It's one of the oldest, it's actually the oldest symbol on earth. The flower of life is also within this, right? I watched the interview about with Terrence Howard, right? Terrence Howard is a actor, but he really like a philosopher for real when you hear him talk, because he's studying this now too. And people that have studied this symbol and literature, like just in the past, Leonardo da Vinci, Nikola Tesla. Like if you look up Leonardo da Vinci and then Tesla and the things they were known for, you will see the Sri Yantra in their work. So yeah, let me show you. Right after my last Sri Yantra video, it was 2020, and I got involved in crypto. You look at my channel, everything has changed in the crypto, and cryptocurrency has led me into so much. Like I've built my own community, right? You see the Yon World Telegram right here. Built my own community. We got 249 people in here. All-time high was over 1,000 people. So I'm real heavy on crypto right now. I'm still doing music, just a couple material things. We got a rollie. Then, I got my 100-gram rose gold diamond cut Yon World pendant. And something also with the cryptocurrency thing, I made a project called Yantra. And it did $1 million in 1 hour, bro. I'm gonna put a link to that in here too. But I still use the Yantra. Still use the Sri Yantra, y'all. It bring you all type of material shit. Like, it's nothing that I can't get. You know what I'm saying? I think this a bust down Rolex. There's nothing that I can't get, bro. Like, my passport, it's a little Louis, Rude, Pradas, these not even the regular ones. And I'm not flexing, right? I'm just showing y'all what the fuck the Sri Yantra do in crypto. You know what I'm saying? This one I'm wearing today, right? We wear the good draws, right? Nike joints. It's one of my favorite little Louis shirts. I love this Louis shirt. Right, love this Louis shirt. This proud of this fucking cotton feels so good. But yeah, man, we on that type of time, and we got the hat. The hat. This is the magic hat too. Like, this is a magic hat. When you put this on, you gotta go get a hat this year. Don't ask me, what I'm saying, but you gotta get a hat. But yeah, man, I've been studying the Sri Yantra for 8 years, y'all. 8 years. Nigga been studying that symbol, bro. You know, probably long. It's probably 9 years. I gotta really go back and do the math, man. But yeah, man, Sri Yantra is a two-dimensional figure. It produces 3D results. All you have to do is give it attention. How the Sri Yantra works is by giving it attention, right? When you get a symbol attention, it gives you spiritual wealth and physical wealth, right? It's an input-output. It's an input-output type of thing with the Sri Yantra. I'm gonna also have a video linking to that in this, you know, at the top, but it's an input-output. All you gotta do is give it attention, and then you go out and take action, and you also have to do good acts, right? You have to give. If you watch on my last live stream or my last video about Sri Yantra, right? My last video about Sri Yantra, I said, it's something in me telling me to just give out knowledge. And after that, like, I started a couple of businesses. I started my Spotify business, right? And, you know, from there, from the Spotify business, right, teaching independent artists how to get royalties and how to, you know, make money in that industry, we had moved over to crypto, right? We moved over to crypto and we hit big coming up off these coins. I showed y'all my shit, right? This is what I'm at right now, right? This is what I'm at right now. I'm only holding Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a token called Andy I've been talking about. But yeah, man. So I just wanted to make a follow-up video, right? I just wanted to make a follow-up video for anybody that's interested, looking up the yantra, like, man, do it work? Yes, it worked. All you gotta do is pay it attention, take action, you know, go to it with your vision of your life. You know, when you looking at that shit, look at how you think about the image of how you want your life to be. You know, picture yourself being successful, like proper prayer, which is how you talk to yourself. You know, you gotta master that. You gotta master proper prayer and visualization. And when you use the Sri Yantra, it's like the holy fucking trinity, right? If you can talk boss shit, right? If you can empower yourself through the conversations you have in your mind, right? You gotta empower yourself. Them conversations, you gotta speak life to yourself. Speak life into others too. You do that, combined with the Sri Yantra and combined with visualization. Just like how you can close your eyes right now and however your kitchen look, right? You can close your eyes and you can see exactly how your kitchen look, right? You can be there mentally. You can close your eyes and if I be like, think about your car, you can close your eyes and you can see a picture of your car. We think in pictures. We think in pictures, y'all. So all you have to do is visualize. What do you want? Like everything that I visualize, like the life, me traveling, me making money remote, you know, I don't work a regular job like how everybody else do. I do put in work. I work for my bag. And but it's like everything, like my lifestyle, how I built it, right, is coming into fruition. I'm seeing it manifest right before my eyes. Now I'm setting even bigger goal, which is $10 million. I want to do $10 million in 1 year. $10 million in 1 year. And I'm going to do it. And I'm going to document it. And I'm going to tell y'all it's the Sri Yantra when I do it. So, yeah, man. That's my follow-up video. I hope y'all doing great. Y'all know I'm still doing good for myself. But we're going to keep printing this magic internet money. We're going to keep using the Sri Yantra, the 369 method. Shout out to Nikola Tesla. Shout out to Da Vinci. You know, all the great ones that came before me. But I think God sent me that symbol for a reason, bro. Like, even if y'all take this video, y'all don't know what the fuck the Sri Yantra is, or it may not be your religion or what you subscribe to. It's something that came to me. And nobody taught me about that shit. I've done all independent research. And I continue to do independent research on that shit because it's changing shit. Every year, if you go back and you look at how my life has advanced, But y'all can check out the symbol. I had a link in the description for y'all if y'all want to meditate on this or start using this. You can copy this as an image. This is the proper Sri Yantra. When you're meditating on this symbol, you have to make sure you're getting the proper one. That's why I use the black and white one. It's colorful. Sri Yantras made out of gold, all type of shit. But just use this one. This is the proper. All of the dimensions are correct. You can enlarge this, make it smaller. It'll keep all of the dimensions, right? It'll keep all of the correct proportions. You need to use a correct Sri Yantra too for it to work. So yeah, and it ain't just sitting on your ass, meditating, staring at this symbol, visualizing. Like, you have to go out and take action. You have to give. You have to do things. But on your journey, it's a tool. It's an instrument. It's a machine that you can use to accelerate whatever you want to create, whatever you want to bring out in your life. It has the power to create and destroy too. That's why, like, you know, I think it's so hitting, because when you unlock the power of that, it also comes with a great responsibility. So I use it, you know, for good. But yeah, on the year side, you already know. But it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the support.